Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel once more, and I want to say a big thank you for supporting and showing me love. Today we'll be discussing on two simple trading pattern that you can use and start making money in the forex market. It's pretty simple and straight to the point. I'm not wasting much of your time and diving into these two patterns. The first pattern is the double top, double bottom or double top. Reverse it, please. Double bottom or double top. So this strategy works on the after after the trade created the support, came back to that particular spot and start pushing up. That is a double bottom or a double top. And they will be showing you some live examples of the double bottom. And the second one is the trend line breakout. Trend line breakout. I know you guys know this trend line breakout. If you new to it, I'll still show you how it's been done on the chart. So first of all, we're talking about the double bottom. So the double bottom is simply kind of aim pattern. It's kind of an aim pattern where the second leg respects the first one. And then let's go to the chart and let's see this strategy. Let's see the strategy. Let's see the strategy. Okay, let's go to the daily. So we have the daily here. And, as you can see an M pattern. The M pattern occurred frequently, so you can use it or you can use it on your chart. So here is the M pattern. You can see the M pattern. So this first movement was done and it came back to retest this second this first movement, and here you can start taking your trade. But if you want to have an accurate M pattern, wait for a breakout and a retest. Now the market has not uh, done the retest, so you're currently waiting for a retest. Maybe this retest can be on 4 hours. We can go and check the 4 hours if you see the retest. Okay, so you can see this was the double bottom. There was a break, and look at the retest. I don't know if you can see it. Here is the retest. You see it? You see it? You see it? So there is a retest, and we're good to go. Here you can simply take a trade and start making a good amount of profit from this double bottom. You understand? So it's a really nice pattern to start trading. Then the other pattern we'll be talking about the trend line breakout. And the trend line breakout simply means uh, a trade breaking out from the trend, which is the trade is changing direction, the direction. And to have a good trend, you need at least touching points in the trend line. So if I'm drawing this trend from here, I'm drawing this trend from here. I'm drawing this from here. You can simply see one touch here, another here, we got one here and here, got another here. So what you do, you wait for the trend to be broken, and this was it. Then the trade went up and came back and test. And this is an opportunity to take this. So this is two pattern in one in this particular boom 500. You understand? It created a double bottom, then it broke out from a trend line, then retest, then it's going. So you can literally wait for such opportunities in the market, either a break of a trend line or a M pattern, and you make a good lot of money using this particular pattern. So I don't know if you find this pattern interesting. It's simple, so don't have to make it spunky and long. Just simply a breakout of a trend line and the retest of that trend. Then, as you see that it's going back, you can place your trade and here we go. Put your stop loss at the right place. You understand? Or if you're not using the stop loss, you can just place your trade and leave it so that it run. You understand? So that is simply what I have for you guys today. We'll be coming with a new, brand new strategy all the time, and we'll be trying to bring some things that will make you profitable in the market in the long run. Because uh, traders, some majorities of newbies are finding it hard to do difficult, and that will be the next topic I'll be talking about: how to become profitable in the market consistently. So that's for that. If you love this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first to get them and profit from them. You understand? So thank you for sticking to the channel. We'll see you again.